Well, every year workers are killed in construction zones on interstates across Indiana. Many more are injured. So in the next few weeks, our state is launching a program to measure how fast drivers are going in these work zones, and they're writing tickets when drivers are going too fast. Our Emily Longnecker is looking tonight when this program begins and where drivers can expect to see it first. Emily?
Well, the program starts next month on August 14th, and basically it installs cameras in construction zones like this one that will take pictures of your license plate if you're speeding, and it's going to start with this spot right here on I-70 in Hancock County.
I never go fast in a construction zone.
That's because Tasha Poston knows what's at stake. Not just the lives of drivers and their passengers traveling through construction zones on the highway, but the men and women working in them. Poston's brother Justin was killed nearly 6 years ago while working in a construction zone in northern Hamilton County. A semi driver didn't follow arrow boards telling him to move over because he was entering a construction zone. The semi hit construction equipment, which then hit and killed Justin.
He has 3 kids that he never got to see go to college, never graduate, never go to prom, never nothing. He won't walk his daughter down the aisle.
According to INDOT, last year alone, 33 people were killed in construction zones on Indiana's highways. Close to 1,800 were injured. INDOT hopes installing technology to monitor drivers' speeds will make a difference. Under the Safe Zones program, cameras will take pictures of vehicles' license plates. If they're going 11 miles over the speed limit, drivers will get a warning. That warning is only during a pre-enforcement phase. After that comes fines. $75 for a second offense, $150 for each one after that.
I don't think there should be a warning. I think it should be a ticket first. And then maybe they'll realize that we're taking this seriously. Them are people's lives.
States like Maryland and Pennsylvania have similar programs that INDOT officials say seem to be working. 2 years after Maryland launched its program, speeding violations in construction zones went down 80%. Crashes in Maryland construction zones that led to injury or death were at the lowest they'd been in 10 years. In Pennsylvania, the first year of the program saw a 19% drop in crashes on highways there. Tasha Poston hopes Indiana's program will get results too. She knows lives depend on it.
They just need to slow down.
And this pilot program is going to last for 5 years. INDOT says it's going to share the information it collects from the program with the traveling public and lawmakers so they can see if this program is working to reduce crashes. In Hancock County, Emily Longnecker, 13 News.